Hello, morning enthusiasts. Welcome to the Best Morning Routine Ever podcast. I am your host, Dr. Lumid, and today I want to talk to you about the willingness to compromise. What does that even mean? What does it mean? So, it is one thing to be open to other things and be willing to compromise, morning enthusiasts. It is another thing entirely to give up just about everything you want to please someone else and to keep the peace. Are you on the verge of doing that right now? You may not have noticed since a process has crept forward at such an incremental pace that you didn't realize just how much you were about to give away. Take some time to reassess what you're doing and what you might be about to agree to. Trust me, you can do better as long as you take the time to reassess. So let me tell you a quick story. Once a donkey and a tiger got into an argument about the color of the grass. Donkey said that the color of the grass is blue, while Tiger said that the color of the grass is green. Soon argument became heated. Both of them decided to submit the issue to arbitration. They approached the king of the jungle, Lion, for this matter. As they approached the lion, Donkey started screaming, "Your Highness, isn't it true that the grass is blue?" Lion replied, "If you believe it, then it is." Donkey continued, "But Tiger disagrees with me. He says the grass is green. Please punish him." Lion then declared that the tiger will be punished with 3 days of silence. Listening to this, Donkey jumped with joy and went on his way, content, and repeated, "The grass is blue, the grass is blue." Seeing this, the tiger asked the lion, "Why have you punished me? You know that the grass is green and not blue." At this lie, the lion replied, "Yes, indeed, the grass is green." Tiger asked in confusion, "Then why did you punish me?" The lion replied, "Your punishment has nothing to do with questions of whether the grass is blue or green. The punishment is given to you because it is degrading for a brave, intelligent creature like you to waste your time arguing with a donkey." Now, what's the moral of this story? There are people whom, even if all the evidence are presented, they still do not have the ability to understand truth because they are blinded by ego, hatred, and resentment. So, biggest waste of time is arguing with a fool who doesn't care about truth or reality, but only interested in victory of his beliefs, or, in this case, illusions. It is said that when ignorance screams, intelligence moves on. So, morning enthusiasts, when you compromise to just keep the peace, you inadvertently punish yourself. The brave, courageous person that you are, do not argue with fools, okay? Do not be willing to compromise just to keep the peace at the cost of your own um, joy, your own happiness, at the cost of your own well being.